Hi, cooking white rice is simple, but many people struggle with it, mostly because of the conflicting instructions on it and the horrible tutorials people put out, like this tasty video I've linked in the description. So here's how I do it. I take 1 measure of long grain white rice and pour straight into a pot. And then I add 2 of the same measures of water. You can rinse your rice if you want. I haven't noticed any difference, so I don't. I add some salt and olive oil, but you can use any oil or a knob of butter. Now the pot goes to the stove on low heat and it has to cook uncovered. This is very important. I don't cover the pot until the water evaporates and I hear this sound. You can check the bottom of the pot to see if it's dry. Now I turn off the heat, cover the pot and let it stand for 15 minutes. This will finish cooking the rice and it's a crucial step. After the 15 minutes, I fluff the rice and serve. That's all. The rice is tender and fluffy, but not overcooked or mushy, because I cooked it with the lid off the entire time. And by the way, this is not some heirloom, organic, harvested by blind nuns at the stroke of midnight in the Swiss Alps type of rice. This was the cheapest f***ing white rice I could find. I can't give you any timetables because everything varies too much, and I recommend that you disregard any and all rice tutorials with set times because they're worthless. But anyway, that's all for now. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.